Hey guys, welcome back to Flat Creek Outdoors. I'm Phil, and in each of the past couple videos I've been cleaning up on this tree line here, and today is the day where you really see the progress. And I came through here first with my little saw. I took down a lot of saplings, got all the branches that I could reach with my little saw. That's my my little 16-inch chainsaw. And then I came back with that new pole saw that I just picked up, that Cobalt cordless, and got all the limbs that it could reach up to about 10 feet or so, though I missed a couple. I mean, it was so dense, and there's one right here next to me. But there were so many branches in here, it was bound to miss a few, but you could really start to see this is so much more open compared to what it was. And that grapple, I mean, let's just say, without that grapple on the tractor, I would not be tackling a job of this size in this same fashion. I would be going after much smaller sections at a time, because when I've done work like this in the past, when I didn't have the grapple, I would have to load up each of these branches and each of these small trees onto a small trailer and haul them off up out to the burn pile out of here. So that grapple, I'm able to just come in here, clear out a huge section, grab a big pile of branches and small trees and haul them out of here. And you can see this section back here in the last 10 or 15 minutes, more than that, 15-20 minutes of grapple work here, cleared all this out. Now right up there I missed a couple trees, and I did not have the tool rack on the tractor, and I didn't bring a saw with me out here. So I got to come back through and get that little section up there, because there's a couple small trees that are still standing that I need to cut, and then I can knock them down. And within that little grove of small trees, a couple tall branches that I didn't reach with the pole saw either. So anyway, I'll knock that out. But this section right here, woo, looks so much better. And then it continues on down that way, almost as far as the eye can see. Not quite, that's an exaggeration, but another 100+ feet down there. We've got a lot of stuff. We're making our burn pile over there really big, and we're gonna have a huge bonfire here real soon. But in the meantime, I got all this to add to it, so let's get back to work. What a project this was. This was one of those things where after I got into it, I realized the scale was probably a lot bigger than I initially had imagined, but look at the size of that burn pile. And there was some stuff there already, but it is massive compared to my tractor. I don't know how well that's really going to represent, but that thing is, I could probably park four of my tractors in the space that this burn pile takes up, and it is taller than the tractor for sure. So we're gonna light that thing up in a couple of weeks, and it's gonna be quite a blaze, I think, and that should be a bunch of fun. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure you subscribe and follow us for all the work that we do out here on our farm. We'd love to have you following along. And this tool right here, the Artillian grapple, I could not have done this job without that tool. Well, certainly could not have done it as quickly and as efficiently as I did today with that tool. So anyway, thankful to have that. Thankful I could share it with you guys. And if you got any questions or comments, leave those below. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. Till next time, hope you have a good one. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. What is it, Max? You want to be in the video? Come here.
You want to be in the video?
Come here. Stand up. That's your good boy. Come here. You are so dirty. You been in the pond? Hmm? You are so dirty.
Doggy.
All right, let's go home.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.